Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove permission certificates in Query OCSP responder servers to confirm the current validity of the certificates in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have pinned in my taskbar. So click this and go to the three bar icons and press the settings. So here we will work on privacy and security. So click here and we will get the below and we will get the certificates here. So we want to remove this icon. So Query OCSP responder servers to confirm the current validity of certificates. Here we have off or unmarked these things. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.